All right, that's going nowhere.
Just now leaving Girard. It's amazing. It's so nice out here. Got army mat right up there.
If you're pushing on this and it goes forward,
Yeah.
You know what a half hitch is?
A half hitch?
Yeah.
Not really.
All right.
It turned sideways. Ah! Slow down. No.
Oh, you're fine. Yeah, if it pushes forward and you have trouble locking it in, let me know.
Okay.
I'll put a stop knot on it that's easy to release.
Okay.
So, that dock at the boat launch, if you go left on the river, you'll be able to see up. That's Liberty Street is the bridge. If we paddled up maybe 200 meters,
Yeah.
there's a low-head dam. Low-head dams are designed to keep the water level high upstream, right?
Yeah.
And they look like they're easily navigable and you could cross them. Like the one that we're coming across, this kayak wouldn't handle it, but there are kayaks, especially inflatables, that would go over it. The problem is, the way that the current runs, it draws you back. And you don't know how deep it is on the other side of that low-head dam. So while it looks shallow, it's actually deeper on the other side, and it will drag you straight fucking down, and it will kill you.
Oh.
So,
Like actually kill you?
yes. So we have one low-head dam between us and Lowville that we're going to have to be careful when we get to. Now, there's nothing more than Class A rapids, and anything that's like Class 1 is so short-lived it's not even classified as a rapid. The height of the river right now is about, I'd say 10 inches higher than the last time I came down here. So we may be able to cruise through downtown without getting out of the boats.
Nice. I'm just happy that I'm not seeing as much trash as I was expecting.
Oh, just wait.
I did see a cup like earlier and I'm like, oh, motherfuckers.
So the water here right now, it's deeper than 8 feet. It might even be about 10 or 12 feet.
That's pretty deep. I don't think I've been in much deeper water and like stayed up without having to use my
It's been raining lately.
So like all the gunk has been getting in it.
It's been washed down and turned up.
Yeah, it's nice though. Like I like it.
Little campsites. There's like a 4-wheel path that goes up to here. I camped underneath the bridge. Your GoPro go on, or
Yeah, it's going.
you only want to record the action?
Yeah. GoPro, stop recording.
So this is usually so shallow here that you can get out and walk.
Yeah, like I felt the rocks underneath me. And I'm like, what the fuck is that? Ooh.
So the stream will also pick up a little bit further down the closer we get to that dam. But we'll be out by that time.
At this point, I'm just enjoying the journey. This is amazing.
Well, like I said, as high as this water is, we'll be able to cruise right through downtown.
Ooh! Hoping the camera caught that. Oh, let's go!
Mine's on.
GoPro.
So here's what you can do.
Yeah.
Let me back off so I can get you in shot. What you could do, you'll figure it out. So what you can do is you can untie your GoPro. That's a slip knot. It'll slip right out if you pull it. You can untie your GoPro, clip it to your hat, and climb up. Now I'll tell you, those first few rungs, they're going to take a little upper body strength. I almost want you to put the helmet on.
Do you want me to put it on?
Now, if you fall, you want to be unconscious from that one because you probably break a leg. You're not going to fall. And if you do, tuck into a ball. Tuck your chin.
I've curled into a ball while flying down the stairs. Mostly because I tore up my fucking knee while going down. The scar I have here, that was from going down the flight of stairs.
Oh, no. So you got the advantage. You don't have to tie your boat off. Tell it to start recording.
Start recording.
You gotta talk to it. Say,
GoPro, start recording.
yeah,
What I can do.
all right, get a hand on it. 3 points of contact.
My legs are my strongest asset. Oh, the spider web on my knee. Oh, fuck.
I'll tell you, it's anticlimactic up there.
I know.
Once you look over, you're gonna be like, oh, that's it? Just a bunch of overgrowth and like
Yeah, I see
industrial stuff. You're not gonna go all the way up?
it right now. Nah, this is like enough for me. I'm just happy to
All right.
see everything up here. Like, this is just nice. Holy crap. And a part of my brain is like, we hate heights, get the fuck down.
All right, I'll get your boat in position for you.
I think if I was a braver man, I would definitely
If you were a braver man.
If I was a braver man, I would hop down into the fucking kayak from here.
No, you'd go right through it. You'd bend it in half.
Bonk. Oh shit.
All right, this is where you gotta be careful.
Stepping in. Doodly-doo. Okay. That was actually easier than I thought. It was
Yeah, your balance is way better than mine. Good dismount.
I have like a perfect center of gravity. Despite being clumsy and slightly uncoordinated. My center of gravity is perfect. I have yet to trip and fall unintentionally.
Unintended.
Well,
You only trip and fall on purpose?
I'm fucking talented, Matt.
GoPro, stop recording.
GoPro, stop recording.
Look at them.
They're the first ones not to fly away.
I know, it's crazy. Look at them. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh.
They're young. Oh yeah, I hope I got that. I hope I got that on video. A nice big duck shit. All right, little guys. I see the bucket, but I'm curious because I think I see something else that's a little out of place. How in the hell did a toilet get there? There is a toilet and it has roots growing through it.
What?
Roots growing through it. I thought I saw that. That is wild. So
What did we find?
I don't know how old this tree is, but that means that this toilet Unless somehow the root structure
Happened to get around it.
grew afterward. Come on.
The fact that we managed to find a fucking toilet. Oh, yo, imagine if I could sit on that damn thing.
No, you could. What, you gotta go?
Well, yeah, but I
Why didn't you go back there at the Lowhead Dam?
don't know. I don't know. I got nervous. There's like a toilet up in there.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to get your
My camera.
GoPro out of there. One's good enough. How about that now? Very unique.
The fact that we found.
I'll turn that into a geocache or something. Maybe I'll put a trinket in there someday. I don't know. Yeah, it's not far down from that
Yeah.
railroad bridge and that Lowhead Dam.
Got away from the bridge.
Toilet.
A fucking toilet.
A fucking toilet.
In nature. That isn't a part of nature.
GoPro, stop recording.
Alright.
We're going right through the center.
Alright. We got the geese. And of course we have the local Canadians assisting. So very kindly. Got my gear on. Ready to hopefully not fuck up.
Keep the boat straight, paddle hard.
Canadians, hello. Watching. Fuck my arms. Ugh.
All right, we're gonna dock here real quick at the B&O. Head up, see what's going down. Looks like we figured out how not to pay cover charge. I think we figured out how not to pay a cover charge. Just enter on the dock. Yeah, they're setting up. I got some kind of
Celebration.
yeah, some kind of fest. Bikerbrewhouse.net. I didn't see anything advertised for down here, but I guess they're gonna have
Could be a
a
private
concert venue. Howdy. Could probably ask them what the hell's going on, but I don't much care. Probably use the internet. That way you don't have to talk to people. Yeah, I guess they're gonna have a band or something set up on that stage.
Biker brew house.
Be rocking the house down here at the B&O.
It's so nice of them.
Yeah. See, these little events, if you're not privy to them, like the news will talk about them, but they talk about it after the fact. They're like, oh, today there was a, it's like, well, why didn't you say in 2 days there's gonna be a,
Yeah.
you know?
A bunch of people would have gone.
Say something. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, I get confused for being a child. It's annoying.
Well,
But I
see why.
Hold on to it as long as you can.
I don't like it because it makes me feel like I'm not getting the respect.
You earn respect. Yeah, this is the old shuttered B&O. I've had it in previous iterations of filming. Yeah, still an active railroad way. What the hell was it? The Coal Express or whatever the hell it is. Coal Country Express. There's a, I don't know, maybe 90 plus car railroad set that comes through here. And this is
sleeping in that.
They might find shelter in there, but there's other places downtown. I see them sleep on the damn sidewalk. They usually go to the bus station, especially on like Saturdays and Sundays.
Oh yeah, the bus.
Because the buses don't run on Sunday, so nobody's actually out there actively removing them. What are you gonna do? But yeah, this is the old B&O.
What do you do against a homeless person?
They used to have steam engines come up through here and everything, and well, what are you gonna do? Charge them with vagrancy and put them in jail. That's what I'd do. GoPro, stop recording.
I just, a part of me like has like this whole. Part of my brain when it comes to the homeless is the fact that like, I know some of them aren't trying to stop being homeless.
Right.
Or, you know, they're not educated because they come from bad areas.
I'll tell you right now.
Disappoints me.
Yeah, it is
There
disappointing.
are people living like that in our country when we are one of the richest countries in the world.
But I'll tell you something. God helps those that help themselves. And at the end of the day, feeling sorry for people has never helped anybody.
Unless you're actively trying to assist them while teaching them to help
Yeah.
themselves.
Like I'm saying, feelings don't produce any results. So when people are like, I feel so bad for the homeless, it's like, and what does that do for them?
What are you doing to help them? Nothing. You're sitting on your ass, drinking McDonald's,
When I went drinking downtown
and smoking some pot.
a couple days ago, Thursday as a matter of fact, there's a homeless guy, or he's a bum actually. He was better dressed than I was. And he goes, hey man, can you help me? I go, what do you need help with? He goes, oh, you know, I don't got any money. I was like, what do you need? You know, like, tell me what you need. He goes, I use a pack of smokes. And I was like, what do you smoke? He goes, Newports. I go, okay. I'll walk in. I get him a pack of Newports. That's not
that drunk fucker that lives near you?
No. No, this is some downtown bum. Probably somebody I shouldn't be associating with.
No.
Anyways, I go, here you go, man. I give him a Gatorade and a pack of Newports. I say, don't say nobody had never did anything for you. Probably needed a lighter, but hey, should have asked. So he goes, hey, my dude, I'm trying to drink at a bar. I'm like, you want me to give you money so you could drink at a bar, high rent? I said, I could have bought you a beer for $2. You know, I could have bought you a 40. I could have bought you a 40 for $2.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm not going to pay for you to go chill out and talk to women. But yeah, he doesn't have his life together, and he's asking me. I'm basically a bum. I tell people all the time, I'm basically a hobo. I can earn my money, but I don't beg money off of anybody.
You don't. You have dignity.
Yeah, and I have a pretty decent, stable source of income. So
Yeah. A good job. You got good friends.
well,
who are there to help you.
it's a part-time job. I don't really have a job so much as a military duty, so I can get by on that pay. Ah, shit.
It's just a job.
No, it's not. You ever heard the expression that find something you like to do and you'll never work a day in your life?
Yeah. That's what that is.
That's the infantry for me.